Excellency, this afternoon we have the Electoral Commissioner, the Acting Electoral Commissioner, to return the writ for the day by election. The member-elect is also present on this occasion. I will now read the letter of advice from the Electoral Commissioner. Your Excellency, advice, return of writ for day open electorate by-election 2026. It is my pleasure to submit in pursuant under sections 175 subsection 1B of the Organic Law on national and local level government elections the writ for the day open electorate seat in the National Parliament. The duly elected member to all offices, Mr. Desmond Paul Cooper, independent, officially declared on the 19th February 2026 after reaching 28,064 votes. Once again, sir, it gives me great pleasure to return to you the writ for the day electorate seat, successful conduct of the by-election. May God, may the good Lord bless you. Yours sincerely, Margaret Wagi, Acting Electoral Commissioner. I now call upon the Acting Electoral Commissioner to return the writ to His Excellency. Please, Lord.
For the day by election under section 175 subsection 1B of the Organic Law, I hereby return the writ for the duly elected member, Desmond Paul Cooper. He is the new member for day by election, and he was officially declared on the 19th of February 2026 by the returning officer, Traffic Plus. So, Your Excellency,